Yep, you see the title in the thumbnail, so you already know we doing wings. Pay attention, get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of what we have here today. Right here we have our chicken wings, Tabasco sauce, some butter, honey, garlic powder, some soy sauce, cayenne pepper. I have some Sazon Completo. It's just an all-purpose seasoning. You can use just regular salt and pepper if you want. Right here, some white vinegar, salt, and here we have some W sauce. So these are the ingredients. Let's get to it. So to get started, I'm just gonna add a tad bit of olive oil to this as work as a binder. I'm gonna add a tad bit of black pepper. I know that wasn't on my ingredients, but I just wanna add some of that. And then my Sazon Completo. Guys, you never had Sazon Completo, you're missing out. This is some good stuff. And all we're gonna do is get that baby mixed up, go in with our hands and mix it up real good. Excellent, excellent. I'm gonna call a quick audible, and I'm gonna add a half a teaspoon of baking powder in here and a half a tablespoon of corn starch, just so we get these babies nice and crisp. Let's go back in here with our hands. So that baking powder and that corn starch, along with that olive oil, it's gonna give us that nice crispy outside while we keep that inside juicy and full of flavor. All right, let's continue. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is preheat our air fryer. I'm using my chef favorite air fryer, and I'm using this because I like the space that it allows. You put a lot of wings in this, so I'm gonna use that. So we're gonna let this preheat. Right now it's preheating, as you can see. Once it says add food, we'll add food. I'm gonna leave a link to this in the video description below too, guys. So check it out. All right, so now it's time to add the food. I'm gonna spray this with a little cooking spray. Now we're gonna take our chicken pieces, and that beeping goes on until we actually close the lid. So now that we've placed our wings in there, we're just gonna close our lid. I got this set to 400. Matter of fact, I need to change the temperature to 425. And we're gonna let this cook for 24 minutes. We're gonna flip it over halfway through the cooking process, all right? All right, guys, we're gonna pause it. We're gonna lift our veil up. Halfway through, we're just gonna flip these babies over. All right, so let's close our lid and do our last 12 minutes. All right, so it's saying get food, and we're gonna do it. Man, take a look at that. Let me see if I can go in a little bit close on that. This, I left mine in there just a little bit long because I like them crisp like that. Take a look at that right there. That's why I like mine crispy like that. So we're gonna sit these aside. I'm gonna put it on warm, let it stay warmed up while we go ahead and make our sauce, all right? Now that we're at our stove, we're gonna melt a half a cup of butter. And guys, I'm also gonna add some minced garlic to this, some minced chili garlic. We're gonna cook this in this butter on medium for about a minute or so until our butter is almost melted. Now we're gonna add our Tabasco sauce. Gonna get that moved around in here. We'll add our garlic powder, our cayenne pepper, our salt, W sauce, soy sauce, and to balance out all that heat, we're gonna add our honey. And we're gonna let this simmer for a few minutes till all those ingredients are combined, butter has completely melted, and the sauce has slightly thickened. All right, so it looks like we're good. I'm going to remove our sauce from our stove. We're gonna head over to our cutting board so we can get these wings sauced up, get into our final presentation and quality control. Guys, take a look at that. Oh man. All right, let's get these babies plated up so we can get into quality control. And there you have it, guys. Tabasco Honey Wings. Let's get these wings to the front of the congregation. Oh man. 10 out of 10. No doubt. So, y'all already know I am the Wing King, as you can see. And remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.